Hello everybody, I thought I would do another first impression video, and today I'm going to be using all Drugstore products, or the equivalent of Drugstore products. Like, I'm starting off with a Body Shop foundation. To me that's kind of Drugstore because you have the same price range, and I've got some like Kiko things in here which to me is Drugstore because they have the same price range. So yeah, I'm going to be trying loads of products from all different brands, and I'm going to start off with this Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation. I've got mine in the shade June. I think it might be a bit too dark for me because I don't actually have that much tan on today, but we're going to try it anyway. I like this tube. That's so handy. Oh my god, more brands should have a tube like that. Wow. That's actually quite a good match for me shade-wise, and this foundation has gone on so nicely. It's blended so well. I mean, I think the real test in foundation is how things blend on top of it, like your bronzer and your blusher. Does it cling? And I haven't got to that stage yet, but so far this foundation is bloody lovely. In fact, this might go in my pile of ones that I use every day, to be honest. It's lovely. For concealer, I'm going to try this Model Zone Cover It Full Coverage Concealer. I've got the shade Medium 02, made in Taiwan. And this has also got that cute little squirty thing. Maybe this is a new trend in makeup. I really like it because it means you can just squirt it on your face. So let's give this one a go. Is it ever gonna come out? Wait, I'm squeezing it so much and nothing is coming out. Oh my god, guys, I've had to squeeze it that much for something to come out, and I've never used this. Okay, this looks quite pinky. This might be good for blue under eye circles because it looks quite pink. If you guys can see that colour, go ahead and blend it in. I'm so impressed with that concealer as well. It's gone on so nicely. It hasn't clung to any dry patches. The only thing I'm not impressed with is how much I had to squeeze it to get it out. Can you guys see that? Right, I'm going to compare it to this. I use this every single day. It's an eye primer by Marc Jacobs. I've used it every day for a good like 2-3 months, and it's there before you get product out. That's how much you have to squeeze it. And I've had to squeeze this far. I don't really know what to say about that. I actually got sent this, so maybe it's just like a tester one or something. I'm not sure. That's the only gripe that I've got anyway. But I'm now gonna set my foundation and stuff into place. I've got my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. That has set so nicely into place, and I'm now gonna use this Kiko bronzer. It looks like this inside. It's just got a really big like pan, and it's kind of shimmery, it's not matte. So this is the baked bronzer in the shade Warm Melange. Kiko do some amazing products. Love that bronzer. I love anything from Kiko pretty much. They just have incredible makeup products. For blusher, I've got this Maybelline palette. It's called the Master Blush Colour and Highlighting Kit. So I think I'm going to use this kind of peachy shade. It's the second one in the palette. I love blusher. I go through stages of loving and really not wearing it, but right now I love it. So pretty! Just makes you look alive. Beautiful, beautiful. I could use the highlight from this palette, but I want to try these ones that I've got from MUA. I've got a Mystical Moonstone holographic stick, and I've also got a Prism loose powder highlighter. So I might go in with the stick first. I'm just going to take this on my fingers like I do with my Glossier stick and kind of dab it on. Wow! Oh my god! Okay, let me just say, this is not the kind of highlighter that I would normally go for because it shines kind of blue, but this is incredible. If it's the kind of thing you like, you are going to love this. It blended so easily. It's super pigmented, and I'm hoping you can see that. It's so cool. Wow, I'm gonna move on to this Prism highlighter. Now this one, I'm not sure how these are gonna work together because this one shines kind of green. So it's gonna be like blue and green on my cheeks. But I'm gonna take this on my nose. Okay, this is very green. Can you see that on my lip? Goodness me. It's like bloody Joseph's Technicolor Dreamcoat on my face right now. Got green and blue and purple. This is not going to go with the eye makeup that I wanted to do, but those are amazing products. They work really well. So I'm going to set this all into place with this Model Zone One Night Stand Long Lasting Spray. Smells a bit like grandma's. Onto eyes, I'm going to take this Barry M Crushed Jewel Cream Eyeshadow in the shade 4, Fairy Tale. I'm going to take this all over my lid. I'm going to hope that it blends well. That is so pigmented. Wow. I actually can't get over how pigmented that is. That's crazy. It blended really nicely though, and really easily actually, and now it's set into place. So I've got this eyeshadow palette from Model Zone. It's called the Barely There eyeshadow palette, and it goes along with these orangey tones. What I might do though is pop a bit of this bronzer through the crease first. Well, they're right about this eyeshadow palette, calling it Barely There. It is very much barely there. I could hardly get any pigment out of any of these. So I've just worked with what I could. And yeah, let's move on to mascara. Actually, I'm gonna quickly fill my eyebrows in because they need to be done, and then I'll be back. Now that I've filled my brows in off screen, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Filler. It's a brow mascara. I've got mine in the shade Deep Brown. It's got the weirdest little wand on planet Earth. What is this? I feel like it's gonna go all over my face and ruin my eyebrows, but let's try it. You know what, guys? That has worked quite well. I'm not that keen on the brush of it. It's very difficult to like navigate around your eyebrow. I wish they'd made the brush a little bit smaller, but aside from that, that's worked really well. It's just given my brows some texture. Now we're going to move on to mascara. I've got two that I want to try. One is the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I used to use this all the time, like 3 years ago. And then I have the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. I might try this one first because I've never tried this specific one. I used to love the Maybelline Colossal, but this is a different version of it. Give it a go. I love the mix of those mascaras. They've worked really well. I was gonna put fake eyelashes on, but I feel like I don't really need it. Yeah, nice simple look. For lipstick, I've got this lip liner by Maybelline. It's from the Gigi Hadid range. Okie dokie. The only lipstick I've got is a red one, so I thought I would go with this lip gloss. It's a Kiko Hydra Lip Gloss in the shade 20. So let's see if this can stop my lips looking like this. Okay, so I went off camera for a bit and I put some fake eyelashes on because this lip is very pow, and then my eyes weren't very pow. So all I've used are the Ardell lashes. I actually buy the Wispies in a multi-pack because I use them so much. So that just works out better for me, but I think they're around like £4 a pack. This lip isn't something I would ever wear. I don't think darker nudes suit me. I think they make me look just strange. I don't like it at all. I prefer like the kind of nudes that just fade into your face. But yeah, this is what has happened today with all the makeup that I had to use. I do have to say I love pretty much everything that I've used. The only thing that I'm not certain on is the highlighter, purely because it shines blue and green. I think it would work with certain makeup looks, and I do think it's an amazing product. Like, it's very pigmented, but it's not something that I would wear. But yeah, if you would wear it, that is fabulous. The foundation, I love. That is going into my pile to use all the time. Love the concealer as well. That's worked really nicely. The brow fiber thing is super good. The only thing that is crap is the eyeshadow palette. It's so not pigmented in the slightest. I thought it was really, really bad. But the eye cream thing that I used was incredible. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you would like me to do more drugstore related videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of me, and to my vlog channel. I will leave a link to that below. I am vlogging a lot recently on there and I'm really enjoying it. So I will either see you over there or I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!